Welcome back to this video, and today's tutorial I'm going to show you the best website for wholesale importing of children clothing from China to any part of the world. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure Lincoln 1688, Taobao, or Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, or you want me to fund your Alipay, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China to any part of the world. So with that being said, let's get started. So welcome back to this video. So if you go to this particular website right here, so here is the website URL, tzpfxx.com. So when you go to the site, it takes you to this particular web page. And this is one of the best wholesale websites that allow you to purchase as many as possible quality children clothing from China. You are going to meet different manufacturers from different regions, different in China. Okay, so when you get to the site, the first thing you need to do, if you don't understand some of the language right here, as everything was written in Chinese language, what you need to do is to simply right click, and this is going to pump up. Then you have to navigate to translate to English. And make sure you come to the top here, click on English, and basically make sure you access the site with Chrome browser. So it's going to be easy for you. So when you use Chrome browser, it's going to be easy for you to translate to whatever language of your choice. It's as simple as that. If you don't understand English language and you want to translate to another language, simply come to the top right here, click on this three dot here, and then click on choose another language. From there, you're going to see a lot of drop-down languages that you can just select from it, and it's going to automatically translate just like so. Then when you get to the site, you are able to translate to the understanding language. Then from there, you can navigate to the site. Now, you might create a free account with the site. You might decide not to create a free account with the site. That does not stop you from purchasing from any manufacturer from this type, from this particular site. So this is one of the great things about this site. Okay, so you can simply scroll down and read detail about the site. Okay, now for you to contact any supplier, there are so many ways to contact a supplier and so many ways to search for factory. Now, when you come to the top right here, you see factory, simply click on that. So every supplier under the factory category is going to be shown on the site. Alternatively, you can use the search engine right here to type in the name of the item you are looking for. Then you are going to see a similar result. Alternatively, you can come to this sidebar right here and browse by category, such as t-shirt, shirt, lace, chiffon, work kit, fleece, etc. So if you click on any of the category right here, you are going to see manufacturer in that category. Let's, for instance, I want to get a sweater and fleece. I'm going to click on it, then it's going to load up and show all the available supplier in this part of the category, just like so. Then you can also translate here, just simple as that. Is automatically translates to English language. Okay, you can scroll down and then you see all available supplier display their items from different sizes, different category, just like so. So you can scroll down and see more. So if you want to contact with any supplier from this particular website, what you need to do, let's, for instance, I want to contact this particular supplier. I will just click on the product link. Then when you click on the product link, it load up and open up in a new page, just like so. Now, on getting to this particular page here, this is where you see the supplier or the factory address. Most especially, this is a very good deal if you are in China. What you can do here is to simply visit their factory, do your proper inspection, and go ahead with the business transaction with them. But if you're outside of China, you can also get a representative in China that will help you to do the quality inspection, do the background checking, then before you go ahead and make your purchase. This is how this particular website works. And right here, this is the factory address to this particular supplier, and this is the supplier name right here. So what you can do if you are in China, just get this particular address right here, then visit the offsite. Then you can scroll down and read more detail about the supplier. Now, if you want to get the supplier or you want to get the manufacturer phone number, what you need to do is to simply click on view phone right here, and this is going to pump up Then from here, you can save their number, connect with them on WeChat, or scan this particular QR code here and connect with the supplier on QQ. It's as simple as that. So you can also simply scroll down and see more products under this particular supplier section. So this is merchant recommendation. This is more products from this particular supplier. So you can simply scroll down and see graphics detail about the product. So just like so. So you can scroll down and see more graphics detail about the product. Just like so. Scroll down. Just like so. These are beautiful cotton clothes. So you can scroll down so you can see everything right here. Okay. Scroll down. So just like so. So these are quality cotton, and scroll down. So if you want to contact the supplier, just contact them with their phone number on WeChat or QQ, or better still, if you are in China, simply copy their address and connect with the factory for proper inspection and place your order. These are available sizes as far as this product is concerned. Then the available color for this particular product here is ash and off-white. So you can hover your mouse right here also, just for you to see the picture of the resolution picture, just for you to see the picture of the product. So basically, this is one of the best websites for sourcing wholesale children clothing manufacturer from China, whether male or female, unisex as the case may be. So I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about China sourcing, procurement, and shipping from China.